Welcome to Day 93 of Future Business School's Daily MBA. Today, we'll discuss developing an operations strategy for a manufacturing business, a critical element in optimizing manufacturing processes for both cost efficiency and product quality. A well-crafted operations strategy can significantly enhance productivity and competitiveness. What is operations strategy? Operation strategy involves the planning and execution of processes that transform inputs into finished products. It encompasses decisions related to production, technology, quality control, inventory management, and supply chain logistics. The ultimate goal is to streamline operations to meet customer demands while minimizing costs. Key components of an operation strategy. Define objectives and goals. Start by establishing clear objectives that align with your overall business strategy. Common goals may include cost reduction, lowering production costs through efficiency improvements, quality enhancement, increasing product quality to meet or exceed customer expectations, flexibility, developing the ability to adapt to changes in demand or product specifications, delivery performance, ensuring timely delivery of products to customers. Analyze current processes. Conduct a thorough analysis of your existing manufacturing processes to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. This can include value stream mapping, visualizing the flow of materials and information to identify waste and inefficiencies. Process flow analysis. Examining each step in the production process to understand where bottlenecks or delays occur. And data collection, gathering quantitative data on production rates, cycle times, and defect rates to inform decision-making. Implement lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing focuses on minimizing waste while maximizing value.
Key principles include continuous improvement, or Kaizen, encouraging all employees to identify and implement small, incremental changes that improve processes. Just-in-time, or JIT, reducing inventory costs by producing only what is needed when it is needed, minimizing excess stock. And the 5S methodology, organizing the workplace to enhance efficiency and safety through sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain.
Invest in technology and automation. Utilizing technology and automation can greatly enhance manufacturing efficiency and product quality.
Consider robotics and automation, implementing robotic systems to perform repetitive tasks, increasing speed and consistency. Industry 4.0 technologies, leveraging IoT, AI, and data analytics for real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. And manufacturing execution systems, or MES, utilizing software that connects and monitors the production process, providing insights to optimize operations.
Quality management systems, or QMS, are essential for ensuring that products meet defined quality standards.
Establishing a robust quality management system ensures that products meet defined quality standards. Key components include quality control, or QC, protocols to catch defects before products reach customers.
Total quality management, or TQM, fosters a company-wide culture of quality, encouraging continuous improvement and customer satisfaction.
And obtaining relevant ISO certifications can enhance credibility and competitiveness in the market.
Supply chain optimization is crucial for reducing costs and ensuring timely delivery. Strategies include supplier relationship management, which involves building strong relationships with suppliers to ensure reliability and flexibility in sourcing materials. Inventory management is another key strategy, utilizing techniques such as ABC analysis, categorizing inventory based on importance to manage stock levels effectively. Finally, streamlining logistics and distribution operations can reduce transportation costs and improve delivery times. Establishing key performance indicators, or KPIs, is vital to tracking the effectiveness of your operations strategy. Common KPIs include overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, which measures the efficiency of manufacturing equipment. First pass yield, or FPY, tracks the percentage of products that meet quality standards without rework. And cycle time monitors the time taken to produce a unit of product from start to finish.
By focusing on these KPIs, companies can ensure their operations are running smoothly and efficiently. Developing a comprehensive operations strategy is crucial for any manufacturing business aiming for long-term success. Let's start with an executive summary. This should outline your operations strategy, including objectives, key initiatives, and expected outcomes. It's like the roadmap that guides your entire plan. Next, conduct a SWOT analysis. This helps you identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to your manufacturing operations. Knowing these elements can really help in making informed decisions. Now, detail specific strategies for each component of your operations plan. This includes production methods, quality assurance, and technology investments. Each part should be meticulously planned to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. Then, outline how resources will be allocated to support the operations strategy. This involves financial, human, and technological resources. Proper allocation is key to executing your strategy smoothly. Finally, create a timeline for implementing the operations strategy. Include milestones to track progress and make adjustments as needed. This timeline ensures that you stay on track and meet your goals.
Let's look at some real-world examples. First, we have Toyota. Toyota is renowned for its lean manufacturing principles, particularly the Toyota Production System, or TPS. This system emphasizes continuous improvement and waste reduction. Their focus on quality and efficiency has really set industry standards. Next, we have Dell. Dell's direct-to-consumer model allows for a highly efficient manufacturing process. By using build-to-order systems, Dell minimizes inventory costs and can quickly respond to customer demands.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring employee input. Failing to involve employees in process improvements can result in missed opportunities for innovation. Overlooking quality control. Prioritizing speed over quality can damage brand reputation and lead to increased returns. And finally, neglecting data analysis, not utilizing data to inform decisions, can hinder efforts to optimize operations. So, here are the key takeaways. A well-developed operations strategy is essential for optimizing manufacturing processes and ensuring product quality. Key components include defining objectives, analyzing current processes, implementing lean principles, and leveraging technology. Performance measurement through KPIs is crucial for tracking success and identifying areas for improvement. Real-world examples like Toyota and Dell illustrate effective operations strategies in action. Thanks for watching Day 93 of Future Business School's Daily MBA. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join us tomorrow as we delve into another critical aspect of business operations. Make the background music inspiring.